Hi guys, so this parcel's just arrived. You're probably wondering what it is. I don't think I can open it with one hand, but I'll be back in a minute to show you what it is. Right, so here it is. This is what I ordered. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. So there it is, guys. Now I actually ordered a different model. The model I ordered had black slots. I'll try to edit a picture in here. Of what I ordered, so I'm quite confused because this one's got PCIe power at the bottom, 8, and it's got 8 up the side. I'll have to go find some RAM for that. So what I'm going to do, guys, anyway, that's the unboxing. I'm going to get into how to set it all up, and I'll do a video on that later on.